Good morning, everybody. I'm coming at you live from my in-laws' house again. I feel like I practically live here at this point. Literally, life has just been so crazy busy. I am bringing you along because today's is an exciting vlog. I'm just gonna start doing my makeup, so that's why I'm just getting everything sorted out around me. But today's very fun because I was invited to a Bumble and Bumble event in London today, so that's why I'm up at Will's parents' house because they live a lot closer. So I stayed here last night, and so I'm going to that today in London, and then I'm also have a work meeting with somebody who works with lots of different brands, just wants to chat to me today, which is seriously so exciting. I'm so thankful for this job and just everything I get to do, but I need to get ready. And the thing is, England is going through a heat wave. Like, I'm from California and I love the sunshine, but oh my gosh, when England goes through a heat wave, it is like some other form of intensity. It is like, you feel like you're gonna pass out. So I think it's gonna be like 31 degrees Celsius, which is like 90 degrees Fahrenheit, I think, something like that, in London, which is gonna feel so freaking hot. I might die. But I'm getting the train in, and then I have to, I'm looking for my moisturizer. Like, where, you should see this absolute chaos. I'm trying to find everything. Oh, and then I'm packed over there for weeks because I'm, just keep watching. I need to tell you what's going on. I'm trying to find my moisturizer, so if I can do that, that would be really great. Here it is. I'm going to this event, and it's so hot, and the thing is like, in London you walk around so much, and like you, I'm just looking in a mirror behind, and you usually go on the underground, like tube, whatever, and it is like probably at least like 10 degrees warmer down there. So I'm just like, oh my gosh, how do I stay cool? What do I wear? I'm just trying to like think about that because I want to feel cute, but like it's already hot where I'm getting ready right now too. Like, I'm like actually kind of warm. I need to go do my makeup downstairs because it's might just be too much up here because I'm upstairs. But again, so exciting. But literally Thursday, so today's Tuesday, and I'm going to this event, and literally on Thursday we're flying out to California for 3 weeks, or I'm going for 3 weeks, my husband's going for 2, and we're actually moving back to California. If you follow me on my other social medias, you probably know that, but we've lived in England for like 1.5 years, and we're moving back in October. But between now and then we're going like traveling and doing different things. So we're going to California for a few weeks, then we come back to England for like the month of August. But I'm all packed over here with everything for California because I'm not going back to our flat between now and when we fly out. So I brought all of our suitcases. We're up and down in London today, and then we fly out on Thursday. So it's all very exciting. It is just like chaotic, so I thought I would just bring you along today for the vlog. Will is working this morning back in Bournemouth where we live. I'm putting on some SPF because that's certainly important today. And then he is meeting me up in London for the event so he can help film it, which is great. I'm really excited. I think they're doing my hair, so I'm just gonna wear my hair straight today because I think they don't really want me to style it because they're gonna style it at the event. So yeah, here we go. I'm really excited, so I can't wait to bring you along, so stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll check in with you in a little bit. Okay, so wait, let me turn it on. I am all ready. I feel like my makeup is literally already melting off my face, but I'll show you my hair. Hold on. I just am wearing it straight because I think I said, I don't know if I told you, but I'm getting it done at the event today. So it's just kind of like a blowout look. Ooh, what my hair is doing. And then I've got some jewelry on, cute. And then my outfit is just this little white tank and this black skirt. Let me see if I can show you a little bit better. So yeah, there we are. She's cute. Something simple, but nonetheless cute. I'm dying, guys. It is way too freaking hot. It's way too hot. Look who's joined me!
Hello!
On his train, we're currently at Oxford Circus. I had a meeting with this awesome girl who works for like a Pure PR agency, I think that's what it's called, right? Pure PR. She's wonderful. Her name is Isla, and we've worked together in the past, but we had lunch at Caravan Fitzrovia. Is that right? Fitzrovia. And she set me up with some goodies from some of the brands she works with, so we're definitely gonna have to go through that later. But Will and I are just going to...
I think I'll just put this on for the event.
Okay, we're gonna walk to where this event is. I am sweaty.
It's hot.
I am gross.
Oh,
so,
and I just got a free slice of pizza.
yeah, so I'm hoping that, that at Bumble and Bumble that they can sort out my disgusting hair. So we're gonna go do that.
Coffee as well?
A little iced coffee.
How is it? Taste it. What are we saying?
Oh, it's good. I think it's soy milk.
Oh, hello. They know.
They do. They
That's
say
great.
save the planet. So we're just... Hello. We're doing some beach textured, all sorts of fun stuff.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good.
Was it Fran?
It is, yeah.
Thank you, Fran.
She's getting it done. She's helping a girl out.
Yeah, we love Fran. This is awesome.
It feels awesome. Oh, just like Thank you.
Thank you, Fran. Amazing.
Don't look at it. I'm like, it feels amazing. Thank you. But it smells so good too. That's amazing. Yay.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does smell great.
I know. It's seriously the best. So this is. I'm not pleasing with them. Thank you. Like, so nice to meet you as well.
Go on. Yeah, get nice. Yeah, it looks so good.
We love it.
It's so natural.
I know. This is like what I want all summer. This is all I want my hair to look like.
Really. Yeah, you look great. This is so nice.
we love a texture.
Very sweet. Okay, so I just left with my phenomenal textured beachy hair. We love it. And we each got, well, Will got it back too. I think you made him feel bad because you're like, there's nothing for me. No,
as a
I
joke.
didn't say that.
No, what did you say?
No, I said that it's amazing. You like get a bag as well. And then she was like, wait, do you want it? I was like, no, I don't want it.
But they were like, we don't have men's products. But anyways, they gave me the beach waves and braids because that's like the station I went to. But then because they're like, we have so many, like seriously, might as well just give you one. He got the updo because it's like, there's like gels and like some stuff in that bag that Will could use if he...
My hair if he's so fancy,
Because
but
my hair's
really what's gonna end up happening is Annabelle's probably gonna get those products as well, which they were like, yeah, he can just share with you. But I'm really excited because I don't really have products for like sea salty texture. Like I'm kind of getting more into it, but I don't have a ton, and Bumble and Bumble's like known for that, so I'm really excited, one, for how my hair turned out, but also that I literally got the like bag of goodies that they like used on my hair, because like I don't know if you can see that, like it's just like really tousled, effortless, natural. Do you like it, babe? Will, do you like my hair?
Do I like your hair?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's just like natural and soft and like a vibe.
It just looks like you've been to the beach all day.
I just love, and my hair is so straight, it doesn't have a lot of grit, texture, volume, so it's just like so perfect. So, but this is the current.
26.
We got our bags full of goodies. Traveling light, aren't we, babe?
Always.
So now we're gonna go meet a friend.
Yeah, the one night graduation is tomorrow.
Okay, wow. Gray spillage on my face. I am back at the in-laws' house where I will be residing until I fly to California. Today was seriously such a fun day. Thank you so much, Bumble and Bumble, for having me at your event. And thank you, Isla from Pure PR, for all my amazing goodies and for having lunch with me. I literally love you so much. Today was just the best, getting to meet so many people and connect with like other creators and influencers, and I just had the best time and seriously feel so lucky and so blessed to have this job and like get to do this, because this is seriously a dream come true, and everything about today was so fun, so life-giving, and everybody, I just can't get over how nice everybody was. And I think sometimes in this, I'm like literally looking at myself, I look like an egg. Sometimes in this industry it can feel so like isolating and lonely because you're just like at home creating content for a big audience, but it's just you. And I think today was just so nice to get to like connect with other people and get to just have the best time ever. So I had the best day. We ended up getting drinks with friends in the end, and then I got the train back, and my husband Will, he saw in the shots, is staying in London because he has some work stuff to do there tomorrow, and he's seeing one of his friends. So I am just chilling and getting my life together before flying out to California on Thursday. But I'm gonna go take a shower, wash my face. I love y'all. Like and subscribe if you haven't for more fun vlogs like this. Let me know if I should be vlogging in California, because I think maybe I should. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!